What's up, Texas shooters? Hope y'all doing all right today. Well, today we got a special delivery today. I want y'all to try to guess what it is. We got a new gun. You already see what that name say. Before y'all go on with the rest of the video, I want y'all to comment, tell me what y'all think it is. Try to take a guess. Don't skip ahead. Don't be no cheaters. But yeah, man. About to open this up for y'all. This will be my first time seeing it. I just went and picked it up. But yeah, let me show y'all what we got. Alright, man, let me go ahead and open this up for y'all. Let y'all take a little peek. Yes, sir. Look at that. That grip's alright, not too bad. I'll probably keep that grip on there. Comes with a 30 round mag, of course. I got some ammo on the way too. But yeah, man. I've been wanting one of these for a while. Finally got my hands on one. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all think about getting a Draco, man, I'd say go for it. You know, it's worth the money. It might be a lot now, but look at how gorgeous that thing looks. Oh my god. Look at that. Y'all can't tell me that's not fire. This is my everyday carry right here. Glock 17 Gen 2. Not too bad. But yeah, man, let me know what y'all think. Y'all want a Century Arms Draco? Oh my god, look at that. Big boy pressure. More videos on the way, more content. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Appreciate y'all watching. Y'all hit that like button. And like always, man, y'all stay legal, stay safe. See y'all another time.